you play a character that you play a rapist on a show, for instance. When you finish that show, you never come out with the same feeling that, oh, what will people say? You always say, acha, they will say ki acha, they will be able to differentiate between the actor and the part that he plays.
Well, they say कि प्यार की कोई जुबान नहीं होती, किसी के लिए वो वर्बल है तो किसी के लिए वो लिखावट में है, किसी के लिए वो अपना एक्सप्रेशन में है, लेकिन प्यार तो प्यार होता है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट प्यार कभी भी किसी से भी कहीं भी हो जाता है. Well, what would you do if after almost 2 decades of being married to your family and also to your wife and your beautiful children, आपको किसी और शख्स से प्यार हो जाए? एक औरत से नहीं बल्कि एक मर्द से प्यार हो जाए, उनके लिए आपके दिल में काफी ज्यादा इमोशंस बनने लग जाए, आप उनकी तरफ आकर्षित हो. मतलब ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ है कुणाल यानी कि सत्यदीप मिश्रा के साथ, जो कि निभा रहे हैं एक गे कपल का रोल हिज स्टोरी यानी कि और बालाजी की आने वाली न्यू सीरीज में. आज मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं सत्यदीप मिश्रा और वो करेंगे अपनी इस न्यू सीरीज के बारे में हमारे साथ काफी सारे खुलासे एंड काफी सारे रीजंस बिहाइंड व्हाई ही चोज दिस कैरेक्टर एंड व्हाट कैन वन एक्सपेक्ट आउट ऑफ हिज रोल इन दिस सीरीज. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं सत्यदीप मिश्रा को और जानते हैं उनकी तरफ से कि वो हमारे साथ क्या शेयर करेंगे.
पहले तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका टेली चक्कर में एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर हिज स्टोरी. द ट्रेलर लुक्स रियली वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग. बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ सीरीज जहां पे it's not a same sex relationship, it's not that you're cheating, like, you know, the partner that you're dating is cheating on his wife with a girl or somebody else, he's cheating with a guy. Did you feel somewhere down ki like yaar log kya kahenge, how will they perceive your character, how will they look towards you at the end of the series when it ends and all these things? Did you have those thoughts?
Somebody asked me a similar question just now and my answer was ki, you know, sometimes you play a character that you play a rapist on a show, for instance. When you finish that show, you never come out with the same feeling that, oh, what will people say? You always say, acha, they will say ki acha, they will be able to differentiate between the actor and the part that he plays, you know. And it's the same thing here, you know. It's a part that you're playing. I think one is as uncomfortable kissing an actress on screen as one is kissing an actor on screen. You know, it's the same sort of it's the same sort of thought process that goes into it. So yes, the only difference is that a man kissing a man on screen is something that a lot more people out there may have an issue with, and that's something that you sign up for. You are playing a character which is part of a story which is more than just a story. You know, you are trying to put something out there. You're trying to convey a message to large, and you are trying to put out a story where you try and find greater sort of, where society finds greater acceptance to a marginalized sort of members of society, and those are the bigger objectives here. So yes, of course I wouldn't be lying if I would say that part of me is kind of prepared for some backlash when the show does come out, which is only obvious. But you know, that's the part that you're an actor and you will play some characters which in your life which will have that reaction. So
but did you get any backlash after the trailer was out? Because trailer also depicts almost, we can expect, हमें पता है हम क्या उम्मीद लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. So
actually no, I've only got a lot of sort of positivity from the trailer. I've a lot of messages saying that, you know, we are so glad that a big production house is putting in money and effort into telling a story of this kind. All the responses that I've gotten so far have been really positive. It's been people who are very thankful, and they like the fact that a big production house is spending so much money on a story of this kind.
In that case, how has your family feedback been? Because, you know, I'm very sure that society जो भी करे हम उसको avoid कर सकते हैं, but when the family comments for our work, it's like, okay, no. Yes, they are commenting. How has their feedback been for you?
I'm also not the sort of person who will like go to my family at dinner and say, oh, ऐसा character है क्या मैं play करूँ या नहीं. No, I will decide for myself, and I will let them know this is a character I'm playing, and I think my family, you know, they are on the same page as I am. This is just another character that you're playing, and do it to the best of your ability.
But have you ever been judged by the characters that you've played in the past, or maybe now? What do you think?
I have played a gay character before on a web series called Thinkistan, which is 3 years old, but which till today gets me more love than most characters I've ever played.
Wow.
So maybe I'm lucky that way, but time will tell. But that's not something that worries me. I mean, I'm more worried about my character being perceived well. That people should not think that they should be able to sort of find themselves in the character that I play. And I think that's what would give me sleepless nights, not the fact that I played a character in a same-sex relationship. No.
But what was the most difficult thing for you in this series? Because that, as you just said that आपने already a gay character play किया है, तो at least वो comfort level उतना नहीं था, लेकिन at least you knew how the pros and cons are, how you have to conduct yourself. But आपके लिए इस series के लिए कुछ ऐसा जो आपने किया, कुछ सीखा?
नहीं, not at all. There have been these stereotypes of gay characters that one often sees. This is not that. This is a very normal guy who, if you were to sit across a table and have a chat with him, you would not get any insight into his sexuality, and which is the case, which is the truth. Normally, you see somebody, you normally you don't go, and that's not the first question to say, oh, is this guy straight or gay? So there isn't that sort of a challenge. The challenge is all mental, in putting yourself in a space of the character who has a family that he loves dearly, and a wife that he runs a business with and who he's been with for 2 decades, and there's that strong bond between them. But at the same time, he can't stop himself from acting on that sort of the urge to be with a man. I think that's the sort of headspace which one has to get into. Everything else just kind of falls into place.
How was your experience working with the cast? I would say, how was it with Priyamani? Because she is quite the chirpy one, she's quite the professional one, she's quite the experienced one, I would say. Then how was it working with her?
Oh, great. I mean, one of the funniest things was that on day one of shoot, we have this sort of intimate moment, Priyamani and I, and it was shot on day one of shoot. And I remember both of us separately telling the first AD ki bhai, matlab 2 din to de dete, let us sort of get to know each other. Ye pehle din, matlab second scene. But complete comfort. As you said, she's done this a lot, and there's the part of being an actor is trying to reach a sort of level of comfort with whoever you are on screen with as quickly as you can. So there was absolutely no problem. We'd done a few readings earlier. Mrinal and I kind of know each other. We sort of live in the same area. I've known him for like 6-7 years. So yes, I when I did hear that Mrinal was playing Preet, I was like, there's that level of comfort that you know the guy. So yeah, so it was great. And the rest of the cast, I mean, we did a few readings and you could tell immediately that it was a really easy, fun bunch. Sometimes you do a reading and you say, "Arey yaar, is wale se problem hone wali hai abhi agle 2 mahine shoot mein." But this was great. You knew from day one that they picked a really good cast. Everyone just fit the character perfectly, and there was, we shot 90% of the show in one location actually. So sometimes we were staying there and shooting there. So actually we got on really well. And
was there like a break and ice moment between you guys? Koi tha aisa moment?
I think when you've read the material together often beforehand, and you've had these one-on-one meetings with the director where the director has sort of said that this is my sort of vision for this scene, let me know if you guys are comfortable with it or not. So you have that sort of sense, and so you kind of at some point you just surrender to the vision of the director and you say ki bhai, we trust you, and we will go with what you say.
I would like to know one thing. You just said on the first day itself, after second scene was an intimate scene with Priyamani. But if I talk about, like the gay scene, or maybe like Mrinal ke saath aapka intimate scene, how difficult or how easy was it for you to, perform that? Even though you know that person from a very long time, you have a comfort level with him. How difficult or easy was it for you?
Like I said, all these scenes, whether they're with a man or a woman, are awkward. There is that thing, you're in a room with so many people around you, and you're being interpreted with somebody. So I don't think anybody on the planet enjoys them. But the way to do these is to just have a very clear idea of what the scene demands, and which was the case here. Down to the fact that we kind of had a sense of how the camera was going to move, etc. And then you kind of discuss it with your co-actor, and you kind of go and do it. And usually, when they shoot intimate scenes, they watching it outside on a monitor, and you have the DOP and his assistant inside, and everyone else kind of clears out.
Yeah. Yes.
Which is, I mean, I won't give it away, but there's a scene here between Mrinal and I where just to create a sort of special effect, the first AD was literally sitting at our feet through the whole shot, and you'll know when that happens when you see the show. But yeah, I mean, as shoots like this go, I think it was fine. There wasn't an issue. Yeah.
I think we should practically talk to the first AD to know his live experience of the whole scene out there. That will be a better thing out there, I think.
ये उनसे पूछना चाहिए because it was hilarious, and I think we discussed this while we were shooting it, to say that when the audience watches it, they will see the end result. But if you could only see what all goes on, there's wires all over. This guy is actually sitting there, and you're like kicking him with your foot, ki hard bhai, we need to move, etc. So the way it actually happens is so sort of mechanical in a sense that that only the people who are involved in shooting it can know it. So which is why when somebody says, "Were you awkward?" and all, that sort of feeling disappears very quickly. Then you're trying to see ki bhai, are you is enough of your face visible? Have you covered it with your hand? All those things become sort of more important. So yeah.
Are you a big critic of your own work, Satyadeep, or is it like that you give a shot and then you're done and dusted with it? How is it like for you?
Yeah, once I'm done, once I do it, I very rarely look at the monitor. I mean, it's the director's job to look at the monitor and to tell me whatever. I'm not somebody who goes and looks at my performance and says, "Oh, I want to do one more shot." And I never ever watch myself once something comes out.
Really?
Never.
And why is that so?
I don't know. I think I feel a bit, I don't know. I see myself on screen and I feel whatever. So I watch myself when I'm dubbing. That's when I usually get to see my performance, because you spend time and you see the scene many times, because you take a few attempts to get the dub right. So I see myself properly at the dub. That's when I also get a sense of कि मैंने ठीक किया या मैंने मतलब इस रोल में बकवास कर दिया. I also get a good sense of that then. But when it actually comes out, I kind of watch everything on fast forward. I just kind of go through it just to get a sense of what it was.
Okay, in that case scenario, just tell me this thing honestly. Have you ever been in real life hit by a same-sex person, like a guy for that matter? And how was your reaction? What was your response to it?
It's always flattering, but I think the best way to deal with these issues is to be very upfront and to let the person know that their radar is a bit off, and that thank you but no thanks. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, the last thing that I want to really know is that by the end of the series, when we wrap up the series, and I'm very sure कि हम लोग back to back इसको binge watch करने वाले हैं, क्या लगता है fans का क्या reaction होने वाला है, क्या response होने वाला है for the whole series, for the whole idea that have been put out there through you actors? क्या लगता है आपको?
See, I have this other old show called Married Woman to Go By, which has been received really well. It's got a lot of eyeballs. It's got a lot of sort of critical acclaim, and I'm hoping that this show gets a similar response, because it's a nice story. It's got nice performances. It's got lots of different tracks. So there's a lot happening in the story. Sometimes you don't want to just be, focused on serious conversations between people when families are breaking up, etc. So there's a lot of lighter moments. There's a lot of different tracks. There's a lot of different characters. Even when you read a script, you get a good sense of how easy was it to read this script from start to finish. And this was, one read it very quickly. That's always a good indicator of how it'll be perceived in the end. So yeah, I think people should enjoy it, and I can't wait for the 25th. Yeah.
Perfect. Lastly, what do we expect out of your plate in the year 2021? क्या नया है जो आप offer करने वाले हैं fans and audience को, apart from his story, I would say?
अभी 1-2 shows मैं और शूट कर रहा हूँ. एक का मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता for confidentiality reasons. एक का हम शूट illegal हमने एक वुड पे शूट किया था. उसका season 2 is going to start now. Basically everything there were 3 shows which were being shot, which I was part of this month, and they've all been pushed now into whenever Mumbai starts shooting again. So, but yeah, I'm including his story. I think I should have maybe 4 or 5 shows between now and the end of the year. So I have a busy plate, and I'm extremely grateful for the opportunity and the fact that I get these different roles to play. And yeah, this is a good time to be in the OTT space.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure having you. I wish you all the luck for 25th of this month.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit. I really hope कि सत्यदीप के जरिए आपको प्रियमणि और मृणाल के किरदारों में काफी ज्यादा इंसाइट मिला होगा, उनके शूटिंग स्केड्यूल और उनके फन एंड मस्ती के बारे में आपको जानने को मिला होगा. And if still you want to know a lot more about the series, do not forget to tune into All Balaji and Z5 on 25th of April only to watch his story, because that is when the series go on air. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.